Hi, this is Paul Baker with RE/MAX and HotPropertyFlorida.com. Today we're out in Winter Garden, Florida, just west of Orlando. We're in Highland Ridge by Meritage Homes. They just opened their two models and they're not quite finished or furnished yet, so I will come back out and do another video once they are furnished. But this is an Austen floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 2-car garage. It is 1,678 square feet. Please take a look around. If you like this home and would like more information on it, please call me at 407-902-3188. And I will have a link in the description to all the other floor plans and pricing for this neighborhood. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.